Summary of planning process. Let us now summarize the ideas contained in this section. The function of a management starts with planning and organizing. A plan defines the goals which are to be attained during a specified period of time in future. Planning involves a vision of the future. The process of planning, therefore, in a mental exercise involving a choice among alternatives, goals, programs, and means of the achievement. Every manager in an organization has a role to planning through the character and breadth of planning might differ from manager to manager. A plan encompasses a period of time in which it expected that goals would be attained. This period, known as planning horizon, can be short or long. A short term plan generally covers a period of 1 year and is detailed and much more specific than a long term plan in defining the goals or targets. The process of formulating a long term plan is known as strategic planning, through which an organizing defines its long term goals. In formulating a plan, a number of sequential steps are involved. In this first place, you have to look for the opportunities. Scanning for environment and forecasting will enable you to perceive the opportunities that exist. Secondly, you specified the goals that you would like to attain during the planning horizon in measurable terms. The third step involves an appraisal of those premises on which planning of an organization rests. Such premises can be external to the enterprise or internal to it. In general, the economic, socio-culture, and technological environment tend to influence from outside that what manager will plan and how. Among the internal premises, that is, factors that influence the plan from within, are the capital investment which has already been made or committed, the forecast of sales which has been approved as the basis for planning, the value and belief of top management, and the capability of the organizational structure of the company. The final step in planning is to lay down an action plan in terms of programs and budget with specific targets. Research studies relating to planning function in Indian business generally indicates a low importance given to this function. Through sales forecasting and budgeting is common, long-term planning is done by only few large enterprises.